I planted a bunch of this variety of tulips. I did a video on like their progression. They're really pretty. They're like a dark purple, way darker than this picture. And they need to be trimmed, so they're first. Pretty sunny right now over here, but anyway, there's this one right here, and one of them broke, so that was kind of sad. So I'm just gonna cut that one kind of where it broke, right there, and then I'm gonna take this stem down to about there. I think that's it for these ones. Maybe I'll just cut this leaf off too. Okay, next we have this one here. It is pretty tall. It's a 2.5 feet. And I'm just going to cut it right where that petal fell. There. You could cut it at the top right here if you wanted to. The more green you leave, the more energy goes into the bulb. So that's why we're leaving the leaves. Look at this. These ones didn't flower. I don't know why. They were budding, but then they died. These dry petals are a nice purpley color. They look different on camera than in real life. Here's another stem. Okay, moving along to these ones here. Here's one. And same thing, I'm just going to go here. I could cut it down to here. Maybe it won't look as weird, but I'm just gonna leave as much stem as I can for now. So I think about here will be good. And here's the last one in this section. There. Instantly better looking. Okay, and this is the last section of tulips. It's kind of sad that they're gone. But they actually were pretty long lasting. Another bud that never made it. That's it. Now there happens to be another tulip. It's a parrot tulip. I'm just going to cut it down there. And now it just blends in. Here's another tulip. I'm just going to go down here. It's a parrot tulip. And the leaves are so pretty, we'll just enjoy them until they start turning brown. But in the meantime, they don't bother anyone. You see how the sun shines through them? The irises are so beautiful. It's going to be so sad when they're done flowering.